Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So today we will see the threat policy in Office 365. So in threat policy we have anti-spam policy, anti-phishing policy, safe attachment and safe link policy. Okay, then there is one more policy. So let's see. So before we start, so I request you to please subscribe my channel and like my video. Okay, so let's start. So from here we'll go to this admin section and then to this security will go to policies and rules. Yes, policies and rules, and from here this threat policy. These are the 5 policies which you can create in Office 365 for your users. Okay, so I'll tell you one by one what these policies do. So anti-phishing policies, as the name suggests, it protect you from phishing attack. Okay, suppose somebody is sending you the phishing mail, so this policy will help you to detect that mail and quarantine that mail. Okay, anti-spam, if any spam email is coming, then that this policy will block. Same like anti-malware, if some trojan or some virus there in that mail, then this policy will block that mail. Safe attachment, if there is something in the attachment, some virus or something like that, then this policy will work there. Okay, and safe link, suppose you are opening any URL from your email ID, then the safe link will scan that URL first, then only after scanning, then only that URL will open. Okay, so these are the 5 policies which you must configure for your organization. Okay, so let's go inside. I have already configured this, so I'll just show you. You can just create, and you can create for your organization. I have already created, so I will just show you. From where we can edit. Hmm. So this is the policies. Okay, and from this section you can mark the domain or the sender as trusted domain or sender. So if you'll mark those domain or sender as trusted, then those domains or those senders will never get scanned through this anti-phishing policies. Okay, so this is one policy, phishing policy. Let's go back. Now move to anti-spam. So in anti-spam, what happened? So you can block, you can allow your sender, you can allow your domains, or you can block the sender and domain from these policies. Okay, if you want to edit, you can edit like this, and you can allow and disallow any domain. Okay, this is anti-spam policy. Same is the anti-malware policies and safe attachment and safe link. So suppose you want to create a safe link policies and you don't know how to create it, then you can simply click on this create and set the default setting of the safe link. Okay, so you don't have to do too many tweaks in that if you don't know how to do that. So default setting you can keep. So I have also kept the default setting here. Okay, so for this remaining 3 you can set the default setting, and for first 2 you can set, means you can whitelist or you can block the domain as per your company requirement. So this is how you can see and create these policies, these threat policies, and help your organization, yeah, to actually protect from spam email or phishing email. Okay, thank you very much, and request you to please like and share my video. Thank you.